going to introduce you to Filius, which is a network simulation tool. When you open up Filius, this is the screen that you should be presented with. We need to ensure that we are in design mode to begin to create our network. So you need to click on this button here with a hammer there. So that's what we need. Also on the left hand side, you'll notice there's various components here for building our network. We're going to create a network with two components on it, so with two notebooks, and we're going to connect those together. So let's start by dragging in our notebook from the left hand side, and if I will drag in two of those, so we have those two machines. Then we're going to connect them together with our cable here. So we left click on the one notebook and we left click on the other, and that's now connected our network together. So that's the hardware sorted. We now need to configure our machine so that they're all correctly configured with the right IP address. So we have the IP address here as 0.1, and we're going to use the IP address as the name. So that's just copied to the name of the machine now, is the same as the IP address. And similarly, we'll configure the second notebook. We'll use an IP address of 0.2 and use the IP address as name. And again, we have now our two machines correctly configured. Hardware is all good. So now we need to install our software. For that, we need to go to the simulation mode. So that's the green button here. And we right click on here and we're going to do show desktop, and we click on software installation, and we want to select command line. So we're going to click on that, click on the arrow, apply changes. And now we're good to go and use the software. So we're going to use ping. So ping is a command that allows us to send packets, and it's a kind of diagnostic tool that helps us to ensure that our network is all good. So we're going to do ping. We're going to ping it to the other machine. So we're on machine 0.1 at the moment, so we're going to now ping it to the other machine. So make sure we put the full IP address in for that, which is 192.168.0.2, and we're going to send some packets to that machine to ensure our network is good. So it's all looking good there. So you can see there it's transmitted 4 packets, all received, everything is good there. So our network looks like it's working really well for us. What we can do as well is we can actually view the individual packets as well that we've got. So if we right click on here, we can do show data exchange, and we can see the packets there that have been sent. So we have our pings, and you can also see there's a corresponding pong, so that's the reply back. And if you just click on these packets, you can then see the contents of them as well. So that's a really good tool there for you to explore further if you wish.